Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set dynamic wallpaper in Windows 11. So if you want to set dynamic wallpaper, as you can see right here, just have a static wallpaper. It doesn't change. It's not dynamic. But if you want to set dynamic, just simply right click on the Windows icon here on your taskbar and go to your settings. Then on the left hand side, click on personalization. And for your wallpaper, just simply click on background right here. Then change this from pictures, click the drop down and you will choose the option for spotlight. The spotlight option is going to allow you to have dynamic wallpaper. It simply means that it's going to change from time to time, but you also have control over how often this actually changes, right? So this dynamic wallpaper here is going to basically change from time to time by Windows, and that's the way how you can make it dynamic. Now, another way, if you want to have this dynamic with full control, as I was saying, you can switch this to the option that says slideshow. And with this option, you can browse your folders. So if you have a pictures folder on your computer, you can select that picture folder. And once you select a folder, you have the option to choose folder, and that's going to select the folder for you. And then you can choose how often those pictures are changing. So right here, you can go ahead and select every 10 minutes, for example. And after you select every 10 minutes, you can also choose to shuffle the order of the pictures. So the pictures will not be in the same order as they're in the folder. So you can say shuffle the pictures, something like that. Or you can say let the slideshow run even if you're on battery. So if you're using a laptop, then you can choose this option as well. If you're using a desktop, then this will not apply for you. It will not say anything about battery. But that's how you can easily have a dynamic wallpaper set up on your Windows 11 PC. Very easy and very simple, guys.